In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leverage the power of AI to upload historical financial data into Excel, generate forecasts based on discernible trends, and refine those insights to create powerful financial projections. Ready to unlock the potential of your data? Let's dive right in. First, let's tackle uploading your historical financial data into Excel. This task might seem straightforward, but precision is key here. You need to ensure your data is well organized with clearly labeled columns that might include dates, revenues, expenses, and other financial metrics pertinent to your business. This will serve as the foundation for generating accurate forecasts. If your data is currently in another format, say a CSV file, you can simply import it into Excel. Just open Excel, navigate to the File menu, select Open, and choose your CSV file. Excel will handle the conversion and your data will be ready for analysis. Now, here's where the magic happens. With your historical data nicely laid out, you can move on to requesting AI to generate forecasts based on the trends identified. This process is made remarkably easy with tools like Excel Copilot. Once activated, Excel Copilot scans through your data, identifying patterns and underlying trends. To do this, you'll need to select the range of data you're interested in forecasting. Then simply use the Copilot integration to request a forecast. The AI evaluates existing trends in your data, whether they be upward, downward, or seasonal, and uses these insights to project future performance. Ensure that you clearly specify the time horizon for your forecasts, be it monthly, quarterly, or yearly, so that the AI tailors its analysis accordingly. With the AI-generated projections at your fingertips, it's time to jump into the review phase. Here, you'll want to thoroughly examine these forecasts to ensure they align with your business's context and strategic expectations. Start by comparing the AI forecasts with historical trends. Do they seem consistent? Are there sudden shifts that might need closer scrutiny? This is your opportunity to adjust any assumptions that don't quite align with your business knowledge. For instance, if you anticipate market changes or internal shifts, you might need to adjust certain variables or expectations within your forecasts. Remember, while AI is a powerful tool, your understanding of your business context is invaluable to refine and validate these projections. Lastly, once you're satisfied with your forecasts, the final step is exporting them for reporting. You can easily do this by highlighting your forecast data, navigating to File, then Export, and choosing a suitable format such as PDF or XLSX for easy sharing with stakeholders or for integration into larger reports. The ability to quickly generate polished reports from your analyses not only saves you time, but also enhances the impact of your data-driven insights. There you have it. You've successfully uploaded your financial data, leveraged AI to forecast trends, reviewed and refined your projections, and exported your forecasts for reporting. Through this process, you can unlock valuable insights